You may be familiar with the Aperol Spritz or the Campari Spritz, but have you heard of the Hugo Spritz? It's another classic Italian cocktail, but this version uses elderflower liqueur. This version of the Spritz has a floral light taste that I promise you're gonna love to sip on all summer long. Don't forget to follow along for even more delicious cocktails throughout our cocktail series. You'll only need a few ingredients to create this delicious light and refreshing spritz. Starting off, you'll need 2 ounces of Saint Germain elderflower liqueur. Add that to a wine glass, along with 1 lemon wedge and about 3 to 4 fresh mint leaves. Muddle everything together, of course gently so you don't break your wine glass, but make sure that you muddle enough to release the lemon juice. Next, add some crushed ice on top, filled almost up to the top of the glass. Then we're gonna come in with 4 ounces of chilled Prosecco. I personally like to measure mine to ensure that the ratio is 100% balanced. Finally, top everything off with 1 ounce of chilled soda water. Then you can give your spritz a nice mix with a bar spoon and garnish with some fresh mint leaves. This is a light and refreshing cocktail that you are going to love to sip on all summer long. The full recipe along with tips and tricks will be linked in the description below.